Ako talaga, coach, may gusto talaga akong patunayan. Like, ako, ever since when I was a kid, I always had a chip on my shoulder talaga. So, parang...
May kinalaban ba si Chubby Kuya dito? Sa chip mo?
Meron. Actually, meron.
Feeling ko yan eh.
Meron, actually.
Yung competitive nature.
Kwento time ko yan.
Sige,
Nung
go!
time na yun, kasi parang nung kinuha kami sa Ateneo, ako talaga yung package deal. Ako yung selling kit-kit lang ako nun eh.
Really?
Kasi kinukuha sila
Yeah.
sa Ateneo High School, yung pinsan ko, si BJ Andrade. Nung time na yun kasi, ako naman yung medyo naging chubby nun eh. So parang pinagtitripan talaga nila ako. Parang taba-taba ako daw. Tapos parang saling kit-kit lang naman ako sa Ateneo. Ganun. Tapos parang, ang tawag dito, parang sinasabi nila na yun yan, na parang wala lang daw ako. Kumbaga yun yung pinaka-gist nila. So syempre as a kid, now thinking about it, syempre it's just, banter lang as among brothers and like cousins talaga. So parang lokohan lang talaga yun. But, during that time, I remember talaga so vividly na parang nung time na yun, may naramdaman talaga ako sa loob ko na parang may fire na parang na-start na kumbaga at that young age na parang I was like 13, 14 during that time talaga. And ever since then, I would remember talaga. Kasi nung high school, syempre, ang dami mag-aaya sa'yo ng mga friends mo. O tara, labas tayo, ganun. Grabe, sabihin ko talaga, no. Kasi meron kaming court dun sa bahay namin before na half court. So I would always, grabe yung, parang dedication, yung passion ko talaga.
Sa Pasig pa?
Time. Yeah, yung sa Pasig. Kasi ang daming gusto lumabas, may mga soiree pa nun eh. Soiree tayo, ganun. Labas tayo, tapos parang mall lang tayo, ganun. Tapos parang ako, sorry, hindi ako pwede, bahay lang ako. Parang, kasi yun nga, parang during that time, nag-draw talaga ako ng inspiration kay tatay. Kasi isipin mo naman, from rags to riches talaga siya. And what he did was like, all built on his hard work talaga. So parang ever since then, meron talaga akong example talaga na itong work that you put in what you reap, you'll sow talaga.
You reap.
So nung time na yun, grabe yung I would just put in the hours, I would put in the work during that time. So parang during that time, yun yung pinaka-specific na moment siguro for me na nag-click na this is what I want to do and ito talaga yung passion ko.